नमो नमः. गीताभ्यासे 4-13 चातुर्वर्ण्यम मया सृष्टम, a study by S.L. Abhyankar. In the scripting below, orange highlighting indicates spots of padacheda. चातुर्वर्ण्यम मया सृष्टम गुणकर्म विभागशः तस्य कर्तारमपि मां विद्यकर्तारमव्ययम्. पदच्छेदः चातुर्वर्ण्यम मया सृष्टम गुणकर्म विभागशः तस्य कर्तारम अपि मां विद्धि अकर्तारम अव्ययम्. वाक्यांशशः विश्लेषण. मया गुणकर्म विभागशः चातुर्वर्ण्यम सृष्टम्. त्वं मां अव्ययं तस्य कर्तारम अकर्तारम अपि विद्धि. नोट्स. मया चातुर्वर्ण्यम गुणकर्म विभागशः सृष्टम्. I created the sociological system of Chaturvarnyam on the basis of qualities, skills and aptitudes and for division of labor. Karma Vibhaga. Every member of a society should partake of the work of the society, should partake of the work for the society on the basis of his inherent qualities, skills and aptitudes. The work for the society is broadly of 4 types. Chaturvarnyam. Brahma karma. See, shamodamastapashaucham kshantirarjavameva cha jnanam vijnanam astikyam brahma karma svabhavajam. Kshatram karma. शौर्यं तेजो धृतिर्दाक्षं युद्धे चाप्यपलायनं दानम ईश्वर भावश्च क्षात्रं कर्म स्वभावजम्. वैश्य कर्म. कृषि गो रक्ष वाणिज्यं वैश्य कर्म स्वभावजम्. शूद्र कर्म. परिचर्यात्मकं कर्म शूद्रस्यापि स्वभावजम्. The thought that work for the society is broadly of 4 types and the fourfold classification is for division of labor, not for division of the society, has been clarified in Brahmana Kshatriya Visham Shudranancha Parantapa Karmani Prabhibhaktani Swabhava Prabhavair Gunaihi. See the words. Karmani Prabhibhaktani. Division is of Karmani, so division of labor. That the division of labor be on the basis of qualities, skills and aptitudes inherent to a person is also stated very clearly by Swabhava Prabhavair Gunai. Obviously, Chaturvarnyam is a sociological system with the focus on the individual, not really related to the family traditions. It does not brand that a person born in a Brahmana family should partake of Brahma Karma only. What is detailed in 1842 is Brahma Karma, not Brahmana. It is with the focus on the individual, Swabhava Prabhavair Gunai. Brahma Karma in 1842 is acknowledged to be Swabhavajam, what would be inherent to a person. Brahma Karma is not to be taken to be a family tradition by virtue of being born in a Brahman family. In fact, the word Brahmana is adjective of a person, not for a family. So, a Brahmana person is a Brahmana only when he is doing Brahma Karma. The same person, when indulging in Kshatram Karma, gets the adjective Kshatriya. For discharging the duties of a Kshatriya, the person needs to acquire Jnanam Vijnanam related to the Kshatram Karma. Rather, that is the Brahma Karma aspect of Kshatram Karma. The detailing of Kshatram Karma in 1843 is also Swabhavajam, with the focus on the individual, not at all related to the family. Note, in the phrase Kshatram Karma, Kshatram is adjective of karma. Adjective for the person doing Kshatram Karma is Kshatriya. These are all adjectives, and adjectives are only selectively applicable, not grossly or generally applicable. Adjectives add to a subject or to an object. They add. That is why adjectives. The thought of Chaturvarnyam is very clear in its basics and is a thought for a well-organized, progressive sociological system such that the society will benefit from qualities, skills and aptitudes inherent to every person. The words Chaturvarnyam and Gunakarma Vibhagasha are compound words. How do we decipher them? Chaturvarnyam is actually a tadhitam from Chaturvarnaha. Note, Chatvaro Varnaha iti Chaturvarnaha. Dvigu. In Shabdakalpadrumaha, Chaturvarnyam klibe. Chatvaro Varnaha. Chaturvarnadinam swarthe upasankhyanam iti Chaturvarnyam. Iti Shain. Brahmana Kshatriya Vaishya Shudraha iti Hemachandraha. यथा मनु चातुर्वर्णस्य वर्ण्यस्य कृत्स्नोऽयम् उक्तो धर्मस्त्वया नघ. चतुर्वर्ण धर्मः च. गुणकर्म विभागशः also is pratyah shas affixed to the compound word gunakarma vibhaga. Note, pratyah shas lends the meaning with multiples of. Hence, Gunakarma Vibhagashaha means with multiples of Gunakarma Vibhaga. This compound word Gunakarma Vibhagaha should be deciphered as Gunaha cha Karmani cha iti Gunakarmani itaritar dvandvaha tesham Vibhagaha iti Gunakarma Vibhagaha Shashti Tatpurusha. Here, the word Vibhagaha is better interpreted as permutations and combinations. Not as compartmentalization, not as segregation, permutations and combinations. A corollary question is, if Gunakarma Vibhagashaha recognizes a multiplicity of permutations and combinations of Gunaha and Karmani, how can Chaturvarnyam connote only 4 Varna? Mam avyayam tasya kartaram akartaram api vidhi. Know that whereas I am immutable, avyayam, I am the one who would do kartaram or undo it. It Chaturvarnyam. Kartaram akartaram. The mute point is, if he is the doer of Chaturvarnyam, why would he undo it? And why is Arjuna reminded that he, Sri Krishna Bhagavan, is immutable? Furthermore, since he is immutable, should not whatever he creates also be immutable? So can there be alternative anvaya? Tasya chaturvarnasya avyayam kartaram akartaram api mam vidhi. In such anvaya, is such anvaya implied and valid? Overall meaning, saramshata. Actually, considering the number of questions at 1P, 201, 202, 203, one should not seek overall meaning of the shloka. The overall meaning below is only as something for ready reference. Maya Chaturvarnyam Gunakarma Vibhagashaha Srushtam. I created the sociological system of Chaturvarnyam on the basis of qualities, skills and aptitudes and for division of labor, karma vibhaga. Mam avyayam tasya kartaram akartaram api vidhi. Know that whereas I am immutable, I am the one who would do or undo it, the Chaturvarnyam. Chando Vishlesham. Chaturvarnyam maya srushtam ashtaksharani maya srushtam etesham matraha eka dve dve. Guna karma vibhagasha ashtaksharani विभाग एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका तस्य कर्तारमपि माम् अष्ट अक्षराणि रमपि एतेषां मात्राः एका 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 विद्यकर्तारमव्ययम् अष्ट अक्षराणि रमव्य एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका तृतीये पादे अपवादः अन्यथा अनुष्टुप् छन्दः in 4-13 टिप्पण्यः notes of self study all the notes from 1a to 1p and from 201 to 203 are my notes of self study only. They are not from any other book of Gita. There is also one more thought about the word Swabhavajam mentioned in 1842, 1843, 1844 in respect of Brahma Karma, Kshatram Karma, Vaishya Karma, Shudra Karma. It should be granted that Swabhavaja means inherent, born out of the personality, Swabhavaha, of a person. The question is, how do a variety of qualities, skills and aptitudes become inherent in a person? Does he inherit them from the parents, from the ancestral heritage, from the company he keeps, from his own past life, and also by acquisition in this life? If all these influences are valid, and I think they are valid, how and what Swabhavaha becomes inherent to a person who grows up in an orphanage? How does he fit in the scheme of Chaturvarnyam? The best logic appears to be the logic of Gunakarma Vibhagashaha. The logic of Gunakarma Vibhagashaha is an inclusive logic. Will admit even an orphan to partake work for the social good. There are questions to which I would keep seeking answers. I have already quoted Shlokaha 18-41 to 18-44. There is a long way to go until I shall come to those Shlokaha again. Maybe I shall get some answers by that time, by any of the Shlokas in between, from this up to those Shlokas. Inputs are also welcome from readers of my blogs and from viewers of my videos. I also pray for His grace for enlightening my search. Tamaso ma jyotirgamayo shubhamastu.